Welcome to Auto Trend. Today the Suzuki Swift is a compact hatchback known for its sporty design, fuel efficiency, and agile handling. It has gained popularity around the world due to its affordability, reliability, and urban-friendly size. The Swift is powered by a small but efficient engine, typically a 1.2-liter or 1.4-liter petrol engine, depending on the market, and in some variants, features mild hybrid technology to improve fuel economy and reduce emissions. The transmission options include a manual gearbox and a continuously variable transmission (CVT), offering drivers flexibility based on their preferences. Inside, the Swift features a modern interior with user-friendly controls, a touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and comfortable seating for up to 5 passengers. The boot space is reasonable for its class, and the rear seats can be folded down to increase cargo capacity when needed. The Swift is known for its lightweight construction, which contributes to its peppy performance and excellent maneuverability, especially in tight city environments. It also includes standard safety features like dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, reverse parking sensors, and ISOFIX child seat mounts, while higher trims may offer additional features such as a rear-view camera, automatic climate control, LED headlights, and advanced driver assistance systems. The exterior design of the Swift is sporty and youthful, with a floating roof design, bold front grille, and swept-back headlamps that give it a dynamic appearance. Its compact dimensions make it easy to park and navigate through congested streets, making it ideal for urban dwellers. The Swift also boasts good fuel efficiency, often averaging between 18 to 22 km per liter depending on driving conditions and variant, making it an economical choice for daily commuting. The Swift's suspension is tuned for comfort and stability, and its steering is responsive, offering an engaging driving experience. With a strong global presence and a reputation for durability, the Suzuki Swift remains a top contender in the subcompact hatchback segment, appealing to a wide range of drivers from first-time car owners to small families looking for an efficient and fun-to-drive vehicle.